Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and thanks for stopping by checking out my YouTube video on today. Today, you guys, guess what we got going on here, what we do sometimes on this channel. I got a ton of Amazon packages, you guys, so we're gonna be diving in, see what I ordered. Let's check it out. Summer travel is on the way. Let's see what I got out here, you guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I got a video coming up and coming out. Let's check out what we got here today, you guys. Let's go. Guys, I'm J-Hen again with J-Hen Travel and Life here on my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, again, if you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell down there so you can get notified each time I come out with a new video, especially if you like, shopping on Amazon, shopping online, doing, seeing people do unboxings and things like that. So we're just gonna get right into it, you guys. Here on my channel, I have, lifestyle stuff. I also have unboxings. As well as I do a lot of stuff on my channel with travel. I got all types of travel stuff on my channel. So if you like cruising, all-inclusive, seeing different places across the country, around the world, you're in the right spot right here at J-Hen Travel and Life. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. So we're just trying to look to see some things that I ordered. I actually have a group that is going on a group cruise very, very soon. And so I know I did a lot of ordering this week to order some giveaways for my people that are traveling on this cruise. Here, these are some towel bands. I believe they're called like towel bands. And pretty much what these are, I got 16 in a pack here, and these are really good for when you're going out and traveling, or if you're gonna be going poolside or fall or anytime year round, and you're someplace where maybe it's windy or you wanna hold your spot on that beach chair, that lawn chair, and put your towel down on there, and you're tired of your towel sliding down, moving when you move, the wind blowing it away. They got these nice little bands out there nowadays you can purchase and put these right over the chair and put your towel right through it, and then your towel will actually stay in place. They come in different sizes, they stretch, they can stretch, and they'll be able to make sure your towel stays in place when you're traveling on that cruise, all-inclusive, going to the beach, or if you're just in the backyard chilling. And everything that I'm unboxing today, I'll be leaving links down in the description so you can go right on Amazon and get it yourself. Again, this was a pack of, I believe it's a pack of 16 right here, and they have nice little messages on them. Like it says, this one says, "Life is better at the beach." Life is better at the beach, you guys. What do you guys think about that? J-Hen loves the beach. If you check out my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see that is something that I really like doing, going to the beach. So we're gonna be careful here. Turn the sharp side that way. So we're just doing some unboxings here. All right, what do we got here? All right, okay, we got some ponchos. Let's see the packaging. It looks okay. I know on Amazon they had some packaging that didn't look that good. So something else I ordered. Again, I got this group cruise, you guys. I said, so I ordered them some stuff to hook them up on their cruise. I ordered some ponchos. This is a nice pack of ponchos right here. We'll leave on the screen how many actually came inside this pack. So as you can see, they're individually wrapped. So I guess that's a pretty good thing that they are. Each poncho is individually wrapped. These are supposed to be like one-time usage ponchos, but we'll see if they will be able to be used more than once. But they're nice, clear packaging. The only thing that has a label is the outer part of the bag. So that's cool, convenient. You can always slap your own stickers on here. Put a cute little message on there if you're using these as giveaways for someone. And so you can be ready to get out here in the streets, y'all, to go camping, go to that barbecue, go to that amusement park, or just going around town in your own city or going on that vacation. You don't got that umbrella handy, put this down in your bag, you're good to go. All right, so I ordered 2 packs of those. Then we also got these. Oh man, these come in handy. I ordered a 20-pack. I ordered 2 20-packs actually of these cruise bag tags. If you don't know about these cruise bag tags right here, you guys, you're missing out when you go on a cruise. You know how when you go on a cruise, you leave your luggage outside the cruise ship so you can go on, enjoy yourself, don't have to carry that luggage and lug it around before you get going on the cruise and go right to the Lido deck and start eating. Well, this helps you out because, you know, most time you're trying to find a stapler, you're trying to staple that bag tag to your suitcase, to your duffel bag. You're risking, if it's raining outside, if you don't get a stapler, if it gets bent up or something, it gets all, you know, messed up. But these help to provide protection to where, guess what? When you're leaving that hotel or you're getting off that plane, getting straight to that cruise port, you will not need to stop and get anyone's stapler, because guess what? You have these nice, cool bag tags that you can do right before you go to the cruise port. You just fold that paper up with your name, your cabin number, your cruise name, and all that stuff. You fold it up right down in here. It fits down in here. You zip it. It's Ziploc. It seals. And then guess what they got here? You don't have to worry about nothing falling off. You got this nice little wired metal attachment here that screws, that will screw right on like this. Let's see, it screws together. You can screw it in, screw it. There you go, boom, it's hanging right there on your bag. You can go get on that cruise in comfort, not worrying about your bag tag coming off because it's paper. And then you can do the same thing when it's time to leave your luggage outside your room, when it's the day before or the night before you have to exit the cruise ship. These are so convenient. If you got a group cruise, you guys, you gotta get these. Or if you're just an avid cruiser and you like cruising by yourself, these are a J-Hen must-have for your cruise. All right, I think that's all in that bag, you guys. We got 2 bags down, or 2 packages down. We got 3 more to go. Thanks for hanging with me, you guys. Again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, are you a person, do you like to cruise? Do you like to travel? What type of stuff do you typically order off of Amazon? So let's see what we got in here. This is a big bag. Oh, I know what this is, you guys. Okay, so this was something else, you know. I kind of got, it was a deal on Amazon, you know. I believe I got 20 of these as well. It's 20, I believe about 20 cooling towels in here. Again, the information will be down in the bottom. Let's take a look to see if these are individually wrapped or not. And we're gonna take our time and take some caution, because my nice little New York pocket knife, I got this in New York City a while ago, you guys. It says New York City, has images of the skylines, and it has a lot of little helpful attachments and things on here. You got the screwdriver, you know, the bottle opener, the wine opener, got all that stuff, nail file, even some little scissors, tweezers, all that stuff on here. Really cool. And if you like New York City, check out my videos from the Big Apple, New York City, right here on my YouTube channel, you guys, right here. All right, so again, these are also individually wrapped. Now these are cooling towels. These are those type of towels you're supposed to, like, you know, wet them, flap them, shake them, and then, you know, you can just take them on the go to kind of keep you cool, wipe yourself down. Me, what I typically do is I just leave mine over my head sometimes and just use it to wipe myself out. But living out in the desert, or being in the desert, or traveling to like the Caribbean, or if you're in some place where it's very hot and humid, these can come in handy. Or if you're a person that when you're going out and, you know, you go out to the club or you go out and you're sweating and stuff, might want to take these with you. Or if you're a dancer or athlete, you know, find you a nice cooling towel that will help to keep you cool. But one thing is, I believe I got 20 in here. I'll leave all that information down in the description. But they're all different colors. So I got these to give out for people that are going on a group cruise, but they're all different colors. Hopefully these come in handy and work. Let's see, was that all that was in that bag? Dang. Okay, that was all that was in that one. Going on to our next bag here, package. Cutting it open, and we're moving through it pretty quick, you know. Moving through it pretty quick. All right, this is something else. I think I've ordered bags on Amazon in the past. I got 32 bags right here, you guys, for the low. And one thing about this package is, you know, not only did it come with the bags and, you know, different color bags, you guys, this was a steal because it was super cheap. And the bags also came with what? I ain't have to go to the dollar store as I'm putting these bags together to try to put nothing else together, because guess what it came with, y'all? The tissue paper right here, and I think it was under $10. Check down below and check the description, and you can get this too, you guys, right on that Amazon link. But it came with all these different colors too. Different colors, you guys. Look at that, different color tissue paper. So you got the bags, and they're a nice size, you know. This will be big enough to fit my cruise giveaways inside of them. So look, nice size bag, you guys. Look, see how nice in size these bags are. Let's see, let's put my hand in there, throw my hand in there. You see it's a nice size, you know, covers my whole hand. Wow, it's a nice size, you know, especially for the items that I have, you know, if you got a party going on, need some giveaways, right here, 32 bags, it comes with tissue paper. Save yourself some time from running around town. Just go on Amazon, order it right off the Amazon. All right, you guys, let's see what this is. Protect from freezing. I think, this might be, I did order some hand sanitizer for the, or sunscreen. Let's see what it is. Let me just open it up, you guys. No need to guess. Okay, this was a 24 count of Boathouse Sport, Ultra Sport sunscreen. So again, this is something I'm going to be using as a giveaway. You know, you got to make sure you're protected when you're going out in the sunshine. You see, I got that Caribbean background back here, y'all. Caribbean background. But yeah, I got some Boathouse. I mean, not Boathouse, what am I saying? Banana boat, y'all. Banana boat sunscreen. These are 1 ounce, so you know you can take this on the airplane. Very convenient. Again, 24 came right in the box, nice like this. I don't see any defects, anything wrong here. Got the Boathouse. You guys gotta stay protected out here from that sunshine. All right, you guys, we getting down to the last box here. Did you hit that subscribe button? I'm gonna wait a second. Did you hit that subscribe button down there? Go ahead and subscribe. Did you leave me a comment? Did you hit the like button? Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. What did you buy off of Amazon? Where you going this summer? Any place you're traveling to this summer? Oh, and guess what? If you want to get on a group cruise, contact me. If you want your family to go on a group cruise, your friends to go on a group cruise, contact me. I can get you hooked up on that cruise. Yeah. All right, you guys. And just because I needed to have a few more of those towel bands to go over the chairs and stuff. I think I forgot how many I said was in that pack. So I did order an additional pack from another company, which again, that'll be down there. So it's 10 pieces in here. And these don't have any type of writing or messages on them. So they're just plain. It does have a little Chinese language wrote right here on the outer part. But this is just for me because I'm taking them out to give them away. So that doesn't, you know, affect anything. But again, this is a pack of 10. I think I told y'all that already, but again, I like it because if you are giving them away or using them as party givers or family, you're buying them for your whole family traveling on a trip, you don't got to worry about fighting over stuff because they do have a few different colors. Yeah, even the blue's different. Even the greens are different. So all different colors. The kids don't got to fight. Auntie and them, grandma and them ain't got to worry about which one's mine or your friends. And then you might can just give each person their favorite color too. Now these look like they feel like they might stretch a little bit wider. So yeah, they are a little bit more stretchy than the other ones. Elasticy, stretchy, a lot easier to stretch. The other ones are, you know, you can see this can go a little bit longer because it seems a little flimsy, but they still seem sturdy. And you know, your average lawn chair, about right here, it still has enough strength to pull back elastic to where it's gonna fit fine. It'll fit fine over that chair to hold your towel down, and it's just a little bit, they're just a little bit thinner than the other ones were. They're a little thinner, but again, I think these will actually work out fine. I just like all the different colors. I love the colors. It's, you know, if you're in a lawn chair chilling in the summertime, in the sunshine, on that trip, or in your own backyard, you know, you might want some bright lights to go with the, or some not lights, but some bright colors to go with that nice Caribbean atmosphere or wherever you at, or that backyard, you know, picnic, flow, poolside. But these right here come in handy. Now what is this right here? Oh, okay, you know, we still are, I know we coming out of that one situation we probably don't want to mention and talk about too much, but I did get some travel wipes as well for my people that are going on this cruise. So this has 30 individually wrapped hand sanitizing wipes. So again, sometimes, you know, you might need something for convenience that you could just fit in your pocket versus carrying that whole small bottle of hand sanitizer, or if you're on the go doing an excursion, or you know, you just want to put something down. If you're a guy, put something down in your wallet or in your back pocket because you're out being adventurous, or a lady, you know, you got to put something in your pocketbook, your purse. You know, you can use these. They're travel wipes. They're easy to use and small and they're for on the go. So this is the size of the packages right here. Again, I got 30 of them, and they're hand sanitizing wipes. They're actually, these are actually like wipes. You can, I guess, use them to wipe down your hands, or possibly you can use them on other stuff if you want to. That's you, and that's your choice and decision. 99.9% effective against most common germs. So, and they're fragrance free. They're fragrance free. Got them right off of Amazon, you guys. They'll be down there in that description below. Now this is something else I got. I'll have to show this once I put it together. But these are like some little travel gift boxes that I bought. So I'm gonna put some candy inside of them. Again, I got these off of Amazon as well. You saw it came out the package. I know it's an Amazon unboxing video. Why would I say that? Why would I say that? A little crazy. It's hot, the lights is hot, and I'm actually inside my garage filming this. It's probably 90-something degrees outside, so it's burning up out here. But these are some travel boxes right here, and I'm going to use these to put some little items inside of them, write a little message on them for my cruisers that are going. So what they have is they have the little boxes here that you can fold up, and they turn into like a nice little luggage. They have the ropes here that you can tie on, so then you can actually put on your bag tag right here, which if you got a sticker of your business or a special message, or if you want to type up something to give to your guests or whatever the event may be. Again, mine is because I have a group of people. I'm a travel agent. I got a group of people going on a cruise, on a 7-day cruise. So their message will be travel related. It'll be something coming from their dear, hard-working travel agent to let them know how important it is to relax while they're sailing away on their cruise ship. So you guys, that's what we got right here for this unboxing. Again, if this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Check out some more of my unboxings. Check out some of those travel videos so you can see the real scene. You can see the real water, the real palm trees, sunset, clouds. Nice visuals that I got on my channel. Some stuff may make you put you in that relaxation mode. Some stuff may make you want to jump on that plane and go somewhere. And then some stuff may have you laughing, may get you informed. But this is what we do here on J-Hen Travel and Life's channel. Again, thank you for watching. Until next time, because I know you hit that subscribe button, I'm going to see you around. Check that description below in case you want some of this stuff in the video. All right then, you guys. Peace.